Create 9 gorgeous cards with the Everyday Beauty Kit. Let's take a look at these cards. So you'll make 3 each of 3 different designs. Here's design 1. You can see the gold foil in the background and these wax seals, which are really lovely. If you look at the way it's designed by Stampin' Up, they have you stamping in this frame and having it positioned portrait-wise, and then I just turned it landscape and put that wax seal up there. So you can see the difference between the two. You can do yours however you want. Feel free to move things around, even move them to different cards. I've also added some gold metallic gems in the background, which I will include in your kit absolutely free. This second card, I kind of changed up a bit, and I'll show you how. So this one is a very simple thank you card, and here in the instructions, you can see how they have you stamping a flower in the center here with the thanks for all you do on this little gray piece here. And hopefully you can see that okay. And then I've changed it up a bit where I have thanks in white embossing, and then I pulled in some cardstock of this color, this basic beige. For the upper part, rather than stamping that flower in the bold blue, since that was kind of the only place you would see it, I used an embossing folder, our new Stone and Vine embossing folder, which I thought went perfectly with the pattern around it. And then just left it white. I like that clean, simple look. I had already stamped the For All You Do on this gold piece. It's on a gray strip of paper, and then you glue it onto the gold piece. And if I tried to remove it from the gold piece, it took the gold off. So I just put a white piece on top. If you decide to do yours like this, you'll need some embossing powder, or you could stamp in the blue ink if you want. But you could leave this gold piece, it's actually gold all the way up, just plain, or you could put that white strip of paper across it. I will have these 2 embossed pieces in your kit and this piece of cardstock in your kit. But again, if you want to do the white embossing powder, you'll need to do that on your own. And then finally, and I haven't pointed out on each of these, there is this really fine gold thread that is just accented underneath the seal on each of the cards. And then here is card number 3. Celebrate today and every day. And I am all about that. Something to celebrate each and every day. This one is pretty darn close to their original. So I don't see that I really did anything different. I might have moved my seal down a little further than theirs. And then I've added those gold metallic gems just as an accent. So in your kit, if you buy it from me, I will have the metallic gems in your kit. I will have the embossed pieces you need here, this extra piece of cardstock in case you want to stamp. And you'll also have, at the end of the day, when you're done with all 9 cards, you will still have 9 of these wax seals left over, which you can use to seal your envelope. They're like one big sticker, and they're really low profile, so you could use it on the outside of your envelope. So that is the Everyday Beauty Kit. Find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.